Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook ad for your business. Now, there's a couple of steps to do this, so bear with me on this one. So, let's go ahead to our business account here. Okay, let's just wait for it to load a little bit. Okay, so in your business account, okay, there's a bunch of steps here. Click on the trumpet icon that's on the top of here, or is it a trumpet icon? That's the icon for the ads. Now on the icon for the ads, you could create an ad. Just wait for it to do its magic here. Now in here on this sector, you could basically upload photos and customize. So you could, after we're all done, you could basically click on promote now, but for now, in here you could add the number if you want people to where to call you at. So you could basically add it here, and in here, special ad category, select okay what type of audiences you like, your target audiences. Okay, so people you choose through targeting, you can just basically click it here if you want people who are already on par with your page. And in here, placements, where would you like to be your ad to be placed, on Instagram, on Facebook, or in this case 3 of them. And the daily budget is where you pay for your ad on a day-to-day basis. Like for example, on the maximum is 30 days, you're going to be paying daily for 30 days 100 pesos a day, or depending on your country's currency. So you could basically adjust it there. Okay, so treat this like a post that you pay for other people to actually watch. So that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.